One word for many. That's what we say. A bunch of bananas hangs together on a tree. A herd of elephants walks slowly through the jungle. A flock of birds flies high across the sky. A pack of wolves hunts together at night. A school of fish swims quickly in the sea. A swarm of bees buzzes round the flowers. A team of players works together to win. A pride of lions rests under a shady tree. A colony of ants carries food to their nest. A gaggle of geese makes noise near the pond. A troop of monkeys plays high in the trees. A bale of turtles lies still in the sun. A pod of dolphins jumps over the waves. A band of musicians plays happy music. A bouquet of flowers smells sweet and fresh. A crowd of people gathers in the street. A fleet of ships sails across the ocean. A bundle of sticks is tied up with rope. A range of mountains stands tall and wide. A library of books holds stories to read. Learning collective nouns is fun to do. Now you know more than just a few. Fun kids.